Greetings people of YouTube, Wayne Hackman here aka Wagstar, and I'm going to teach you how to test a starter motor either out of your car or in this case a diesel generator. So you need to remove the starter motor and then you will need a 12 volt power supply. So I'm using the battery out of my car here and I've used two jump cables or a set of jump cables to connect to the live and to the negative of the battery. You then take the negative jump cable and you clip it onto the shroud, the casing of the starter motor. Once you've done that, move to the back of the starter motor and you'll see that there is a small cylinder next to the large cylinder. That's the solenoid. And what you need to do is you need to connect the live part of the jumper cable to the nut that's at the back. You connect that, and then I found another bit of cable here, which you're going to use to trip the solenoid. So you need to sort of precariously, I don't know, you might want to actually screw it onto the nut, or in this case, I've just sort of clipped it using the jump cable. And above it, you can see a little metal tab. And what you can do with that live extra cable that you've now fastened, you can just touch that tab. And what will happen is the solenoid will push forward the cog that engages with the engine, and it will also turn the cog as if it was engaging the engine, just like this. So you can see this is a good starter motor. Now if you want to just test the solenoid, remove the live jumper and just touch that little tab, and in the same way the cog will lurch forward but it won't spin. Anyway, there you go. That's how you test a starter motor. I hope that's helpful. Please rate and subscribe and do all of the things that YouTubers do.